What is up, you guys? Welcome to the KTM 790 launch event. This is one of the highly anticipated motorcycles that we've expected to be launched here in India.
Cheers to the spirit of biking! Woo!
Alright, so guys, the first impression is that the bike is extremely lightweight. I don't think there is anything lighter in this segment. The handlebars are a little bit in the front, the foot pegs are at the back, so it's kind of like a semi-sports riding position. But then again, it's very comfortable. The seat itself is very comfortable. I think the pillion seat would be even more comfortable. So let's hear what the bike sounds like. What I really like about this bike is that it comes with a lot of different modes for the rider's safety, like sport, street, rain and track. It also comes with 9-step traction control, which is ridiculous. Comes with an exceptional ground clearance, so it will pretty much soak up every single pothole that Indian roads have to offer, especially right now during the rainy seasons when the roads get damaged. So this bike is being priced at around 8.64 lakhs ex-showroom India. What do you guys think of this price? Leave a comment below because I really would love to hear your thoughts. If you guys want me to do a test ride review of this bike, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel guys, and I will see you all in the next one.